What's the meaning of bikky? Bikky. Bikky.
Bikky. Bikky. Bikky is a colloquial Australian term for a biscuit. It is a shortened form of the word biscuit that is often used in informal speech. The term bikky is thought to have originated in the early 20th century, and it has become increasingly popular in recent years. The term bikky is often used to refer to any type of biscuit, but it is most commonly used to refer to a chocolate chip biscuit. Bikky is also sometimes used to refer to other types of baked goods, such as cookies and cakes. The term bikky is a fun and informal way to refer to a biscuit. It is a great way to add a touch of Australian slang to your vocabulary.